Hey guys, it's your girl Itohan and welcome to the channel. So guys, in today's video we have a hair review from Alipearl. As you can see, their box is so amazing, so shiny and I'm in love. So included in the box we have the hair. Obviously I'm going to show you guys that real soon, and also included in the box we have this wig cap in case you want to use some. So it also came with this lashes. It's amazing. It came with this edge brush for your edges, and it also came with this frontal headband. Even though I wasn't sent a frontal, it was so nice being sent this. So it also came with this scarf, which is also very thoughtful. And the last thing in the box is this wig storage bag, which you can just use to store your wigs and just prevent it from dust. Okay, so guys, let's get into the hair. So hey guys, hi once again. So guys, my hair is already freshly washed and conditioned. I have used my leave-in conditioner, and guys, this is the hair we got sent. This is the Kinky straight V-part wig, and it is in 22 inches, guys. Like, it is so long. I love the length so much. So this is what the hair looks like coming out of the box. As you can see, it has no lace. Guys, I am very impressed with the construction of this wig. It is so amazing, and I can say Alipearl did an amazing job with this wig. So I'm just pulling this net off it, and I'm just going to show you the construction of the cap. Guys, when I installed this hair did not move at all. So as you can see, all the security, it has this 5 clip-ins. It also came with this detachable strap that you can put off if you want. It also came with this 2 combs at the side of the wig and also 1 comb at the back. When I say, guys, once you install this hair is not moving anywhere, okay? And I love how soft, guys. The hair is just so soft and so luscious. So guys, now it's time for us to just prep our hair for this week. I'm just going to do a center part as per usual. So I'm just perfecting my center part, and I'm going to just bring out my leave outs, okay? So guys, I left out the leave out for my center part. That will be used to just conceal the V-part wig. And also what I like to do, just to make sure everything is very natural, I like to just bring out some hair around my edges. So this will also be used to just further make the hair blend, okay, with our natural hair. So I will be doing this on both sides of my hair and just putting that aside, okay? So guys, I am done with all the leave out. If you want to achieve this same style, just make sure you achieve this, okay? Make sure all this leave out are done. And now guys, it's time for us to just put the rest of the hair away. So I'm just going to just tie this normally at the back, nothing too special. And then guys, it's time for us to install the wig. So guys, once you purchase this wig, this is how it's going to come to you. So all you have to do is just grab a scissors and just cut that side, and this is how it's going to be. Now it's time to install. I'll just place that on my head, and then first thing I'm going to do is just try to just clip those clip-ins to my hair, okay? So I will clip it as close to the leave out as possible. If it feels uncomfortable, just try to wiggle it a bit till it's fine for you, okay? So now I am done with that. I'm just also going to tuck in those combs at the back and also on the sides of my hair. And now guys, when I say the security, immediately I did that We need no lace, we need no glue to glue this down, guys. It stayed stuck on my hair, and I was so obsessed with just combing this hair. The hair felt so soft. So now, guys, it's time for us to straighten this hair. Guys, this part is very important. You need to straighten it just so it looks less puffy. Okay, remember, this is a natural hair wig, and this is in the kinky straight, so you need to just straighten it a bit. Okay, so I'm just going to use my straightener comb to just comb this hair and then use my straightener on it. And guys, as I was straightening this wig, I was like, oh my god, are you sure you guys are even seeing this wig well? You know what, let me just go change my shirt a bit. Okay, so now doing this, you guys can see, you know, how slick the hair was after straightening, which I was just so impressed. So now I'm just going to straighten the rest of the wig, and I'll get back to you later. Okay, especially when you're looking fine like that. Especially when you're looking fine like that. So guys, I am done straightening this hair, and when I say the silkiness of this hair is unmatched, and I am just so loving it. So guys, now it's time for us to blend our natural hair. So I'm just going to be using this heat protector because I will be straightening my natural hair. Okay, I'll just apply that on my hair and then use the straightener. I don't need my hair to be like bone straight. Okay, so I just need it just stretched enough. Okay, and if you're seeing any smoke, it's fine, don't worry, it's just from the heat protector. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side of my hair, and then we do the same thing for the center part. Okay, everything changes, you were my oasis, and now I'm stuck in the middle, thinking about you, things that you do, making me crazy. Booty's got me spacey, thinking about it daily. Let me put it vaguely, you the kind of lady makes me want a baby. What am I saying? I don't think I'm playing, but I've been waiting on you too long. So guys, now I am done stretching out my hair, and guys, look at the blend. Oh my god. So I just like to just use this scissors to just frame the hair a bit, just so it fits my face. And then I'm just going to use this heat protectant serum to just apply that on my hair, just as a serum. And guys, look at this, like I am so impressed. Look at the blend, guys. Look at the blend, like you can't even tell where my hair started from and where my hair stopped from. Guys, look at the blend. I am so impressed with this wig, and Alipearl did an amazing job. So guys, that's it on this video. I just showed how the hair looks like straight, and I also curled the hair a bit, and I can say, guys, this hair looks even more amazing when it's coiled, and I can't wait for y'all to try this hair out. I will put all the links in the description box, and the wig is also an amazing length, the 22 inches. Look at the length, it's amazing. And guys, I am obsessed with this hair. I am obsessed with this hair. That's all I'm just going to say. So guys, thank you so much for watching so far. All the links to the hair from Alipearl will be in the description box, guys, so please go click on that link. Okay, and when you purchase this, let me know. Okay, tag me anywhere, tag me on Instagram, tag me on YouTube, drop a comment section that you're going to buy this wig, guys, because I can't be the only one having this beauty, guys. I want y'all to also look this beautiful. So guys, that's it on this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day, and bye. I've been thinking about you for
get back to basics. You know what I'm saying? Back in